management platform. So just, I'm going to take you through a little story of a problem scenario that we've seen. So imagine that you're stuck in traffic, Galway traffic, and you're thinking to yourself, right, did I leave the immersion on? So panic sets in, you're stuck in traffic, there's nothing you can do. So the Internet of Things is an advanced connectivity of devices, systems and services. Devices such as this here, this is a WASP mode. This allows you to connect different devices in your home to the Internet. We've designed a platform that's based in the cloud. It can install an app on your phone, and it also has a web interface. So to install a new device, for example, in your home, you log onto the Overvue app, and you can add the devices very, very simply like this. The scenario here, exactly, the app is there. we can show that afterwards. There's a scenario here, so a person goes into a local electrical retailer, they want to pick up a smart lamp, right? These smart lamps connect to your internet, you go home, you install it. At this point then, you fire up your Overvue app, you say, right, start searching for the products that are in my home. Obviously you have logged in as a user and authenticated and all that. It finds a table lamp. Great. Connect to it, and it's connected. So this is the Android app that we've designed, as simple as possible to use. Forevermore now, you can turn on and off the lighting and any other functions that are enabled on that particular lamp. So sometimes the timers, sometimes you can dim them, those sorts of functions. What we're doing here then is just a little architecture diagram of how it works. You can control it by the browser, you can control it via the app as it's stated, and it's all using REST over the internet. For those familiar with the terminology. Now the IoT market size, the potential is massive. Millions and millions of home users, millions of enterprise users. Two leading companies in the industry think it's a very, very hot idea. As such, there are some competitors. So what we've seen is we've done some analysis on some home use competitors, some devices themselves that have built up their own software stack, and some enterprise competitors. So we did a little bit of surveying around campus. Now we didn't have a lot of time for it, but we found 10 potential home users. Surprising results would be that over half of them have 3 or more devices at home that they want to control. And even more surprising, given that they're students, over half of them are willing to pay for the service, between 10 to 15 per month. So the way we position this is that, given a common platform, we can attack both markets at once. We can attack the home user market and the enterprise industrial market. The enterprise industrial will give us, or will give the enterprise user, cost reductions, IoT control and data analytics. For the home user, it's obviously basic device control, convenience, home automation. You have a set of profiles saying, right, it's nighttime, I want all the lights off in my house, I want to turn on the alarm with one button. The partner model is interesting. Where we're going here with this is that we want to partner with the individual device manufacturers and say, right, we'll provide the software stack for you. You don't need to be Nest and design your software all the way. For them it means cost reductions, no maintenance, co-marketing opportunities. If we're the biggest in the market, we can market with all the separate devices, and it's a good opportunity. Advertising, obviously, and focusing on, the partner gets to focus on their core competencies, which is device manufacturing. So the business model, again, we're going to acquire partnerships with the device manufacturers. We have robust and reliable cloud software. We're leveraging one platform for the 2 different markets. Our go-to-market strategy is obviously building familiarity with the home users, so that those home users, when they go to the enterprise or go to the office, they think, really, I want something like this to open up shop. It's obviously a low cost for SMEs. We're going to charge 10 to 15 per month. Our minimum value proposition is that we have basic IoT control. That's it. The big data and all the analytics comes afterwards. We're thinking target the premium enterprise customers. They'll help subsidize home users, which we're thinking are free.
So what time we have?